Today's video. Today we're going to find out what's in the box. This box has had a rough life. Alright, stay tuned. Let me get it opened up and lay some of the stuff out. It's all from one company and it's just a stocking order. I ordered up some stuff I sell stuff on eBay under Chesserenterprises. If you want to check that out, that's where all of our merchant stuff is. But yeah, that's what this order is a stocking order that we sell on eBay, and also we have in stock some of the hardware we could possibly use on some of the drift cars. So, alright, here we go. Okay, so you may or may not have seen in our previous, it's been several videos back, we are a dealer for Finish Line, Factory, all the fittings and hoses and all that stuff they offer. So we're actually a dealer for those guys. And so this is going to be everything from banjo bolts, just a lot of push lock fittings, all that type of stuff, your AN lines, couplings, just a random stocking order of that kind of thing. Turbo drain line, the fitting for that, we will need that. Some like a Y if we're going to do a fuel line. We got a Y for that, or however we set up whatever we got. Just a little bit of everything. I even debated on doing a dual caliper brake line. So that's some of the stuff. We have turbo couplings. They don't necessarily have to be turbo couplings. They can be like an air intake coupling, that type of thing. Again, there's more fittings and stuff. That's magnetic oil pan plugs, stuff like that. They offer hoses you can get in 3-foot lengths. I think maybe 10 or 20 foot lengths, and your push lock hose with the nylon wrap. Instead of, you got your steel braided ones, this is actually like a cloth braid, and it's supposedly just as strong, but it doesn't have the wire that pokes all in you and all that stuff. So so the cloth, another alternative to the steel braided lines. We have some more like bigger boots, 4-inch, 3-inch. We've got them, and these aren't the super thin like you find on eBay. These are actually quality products. I mean, like these fittings are absolutely perfect. There's no flaws, and they got hoses in different sizes. There's no discrepancies in these. The ones we have used, they fit with no issue at all. I did get a couple different sizes of lines, so I may end up running some of our own fuel lines and stuff with the cars we have. More boots, fittings, just an assortment of items to stock, 3-foot, 2-foot sections, tons of couplings in there. I got several sizes because we're going to end up putting a turbo kit together on my son's car. I think we already have Mishimoto coupling. I don't know that we have all the right sizes, so I did go ahead and get these. And if we're missing one, I actually need one for the IS300. The top coupling right above where the turbo hot side is, it actually laid down on the turbo itself and mounted it. So have an assortment of all this stuff. So if you need any of this stuff, Finish Line Factory, we do sell it on eBay. We are a dealer for these guys. You can message me directly if you want to buy any of these products. If I don't have it in stock, I can have it drop shipped to you. It won't change the price or anything. It's super fair priced, it's competitive. The quality is competitive with everything. I sell, you know, like, was it Russell's and a couple other brands, I don't, right offhand, can't remember, but I sell other brands of fittings, and I don't see that one would be better than the other. I think this is maybe 5/8. We can run like coolant lines, if you want to put fittings on your coolant, like return lines and all that stuff. I think you can get bigger lines to run your actual radiator hoses with bigger fittings. I'm pretty sure you can do that. So you're talking, you know, fuel lines, coolant hoses, hydraulics. If you're running, I think if you wanted to, with the harder line inside, it's not rubber, it's like a hard plastic, you could probably get away with running maybe an e-brake line, like a hand brake. And, you know, I don't want to say that you could on a regular brake with this material, if that's, you know, a safety issue or concern. If I'm saying it wrong, I don't want to mess up. But this actually has wire in the actual hose. That's wire inside. But I can't say enough. Finish Line Factory. If you're wanting to use just try something. They're all black. All the fittings are black. You don't have the bright red, purple, pink. And if you're trying to go for the, you know, the ghost look and without having the blue and red and purple and all the crazy colors, these are just they are a gloss black. It's powder coat, I'm assuming. Everything works. I mean, it all fits. Everything I've handled, everything that, you know, I've used so far works just like a fitting should. Can't see that I have any complaints about any of it. The boots, we hadn't used any of the boots yet. Ethan, the Turbo Civic, I think he actually got one of the boots, and he didn't have anything bad to say. I hadn't really talked to him about it, but I forgot he actually got that one. But yeah, he was still boosting last time I talked to him. But yeah, that's a little rundown on Finish Line Factory. Again, you can get them off Chesserenterprises. That's our eBay tag or whatever, user ID. Just follow us there. You can pick up this stuff. I think the only two people that are selling this brand is myself and Finish Line themselves. They're a new company, and I bought in with them. Just trying to set myself apart, you know, have a line that, you know, that nobody else has right now. And again, I like the black finish to everything. If you want to keep your engine bay kind of where it's not flashy and got all the bright colors and blue and purples and pinks, and you want a, you know, a clean, sleek look, I like the idea of the black fittings and the black hoses and stuff. Everybody's going for the murdered out looks of the, you know, paint and body. This kind of, you know, the hoses are black. If you want to kind of do a little bit of hiding everything you got, but still make it clean too, you know, this type of thing. But if you're, again, you're with the flashy stuff, I don't know that they offer any colors or anything. I think everything's black. But just know that I'm a car guy, and I'm not going to say that it's a quality product or a good product if it's not. Like the mounts, I told you, you know, that the cheaper mounts are actually one's off and it's turned the engine this way or whatever, you know. But, you know, overall, visually, and we have used some of these fittings. I hadn't got feedback on the coupling use yet, and we will, actually. Overall, visually, everything looks great, as good if not better than most all the couplings I've had, and I like the idea of the black fittings and the braided lines. It all looks great to me. Everything's easily marked if you want to buy you some stocking orders. You know, for example, this will have Finish Line Factory ADPT, so adapter, dash Y, because it's a Y, and then it'll be 4AN to 4AN, so all three of those different parts of the Y will be 4AN. So everything's clearly marked, labeled, packaged. The package is simple. That helps keep the cost down. So just a couple staples and the fold over tops. Super simple. They keep them all black, so there's not a lot of cost on having to add different colors in. All they got to do is stock the black powder coat, go with that. The black hoses, the black lines, pretty straightforward. But yeah, would I suggest Finish Line Factory? Absolutely. This is my second stocking order of it, and I do sell it on eBay, and along with our merch stuff too. So this helps to fund the drifting, and this helps to also have things in stock that we can just walk, or whatever, to my storage building, keep it in a storage place. So I can actually check my list of fittings I need, and I can actually run to my storage facility that I rent a storage thing, and I can actually go pick one of these up without having to order a bunch of stuff. But I also have it at a discount to where I can sell it, make some profit while I'm stocking it, and that way I don't have a bunch of random fittings I don't need laying around, or run into I need one fitting and I have to order it and wait months and months to get it, or weeks, whatever. It might miss out going on the track because of a fitting. I also have that inventory accessible, and boots as well, because I actually burned a boot up, and I could have had one on the IS300 this past week, and would have, it's probably going to save my butt by having a boot here. I don't have to order one. And I may, on the 240, actually change the boots to the black ones. I think I like those better with that black car, kind of murder it out look, But guys, I appreciate you watching the video. I know it was a long video, and it was kind of, rambling on about fittings and hoses, but I can't stress enough the quality of them. So if you're considering some hoses, or you're gonna do like I do and you stock some, when you set up an account, talk to them, tell them that you heard from me about that brand or whatever, and see if you can't get yourself a discount. I know they're offering some dealer discounts right now, and even a stock. If you buy some inventory yourself through their site, they've got a code. I think it's like summer 2022 is the code right now to order some through their site or whatever. Save you a few bucks. I don't know what their discount is, but they do have a sale going on right now. And if you message me directly, I might be able to give you a bulk discount through my inventory, or I can even have it drop shipped to you, and with that discount that they're offering right now too. So give me a shout. It is for sale on eBay. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Like, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications. We're looking at some t-shirts. We're looking at some other stuff. We still have another couple of products we're working on, some hard parts, some actual applications on some of the cars. We have some of that stuff off our own brand. We're going to be introducing some of that stuff eventually. So still a little time behind that. It'll be a while probably, I think, still yet. The machine shop that we're dealing with is a little behind. But we do have a few items designed, laid out. Now they have to program the machines and set up the machines to be able to run that product. And we have to, test fit a few and try to dial them in. But yeah, more stuff coming all the time. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching the video. We'll see you on the next one. All right, here we go.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. feeling